You always
Active.
you're active. You feel yourself happy. You will be growing in your walk with Jesus Christ. If you have discipline, you will be growing in your walk. You will be knowledgeable about Jesus Christ, about His life, about His character. Because His desire is to be conformed into His image. So how could you be conformed if you do not know His character that you have to follow? You will be more productive. Marami kang maisip na good for your family. When you halimbawa yung mga imbes na magsusugal ka, or you go to something to a place that is not productive, wasting time and money. So you will be more productive. You make a positive impact on others. Kasi pagka well-disciplined ka, maganda ang ano mo, you will be a good example for others. Kung tingnan mo si Ganun, ang bait-bait niya, kaya ang bait-bait niya. Gusto ko yan.
Pautang lang niya.
Magising nga.
Yan ang gusto mong palaging kasama, di ba?
Yeah, mabait pagtulog. Kaya magising nga. Ano.